Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fatma and my name is Malia. Welcome to our channel. So today we are going to make craft, but which theme? Do you know? Yeah, with jungle safari. Jungle safari. Yeah. So let's come and watch how to make jungle theme safari crafts. So we have made 2 legs, 2 hands, and I'm going to take the second hand. And you can put pencils in it and use it like a pencil holder. Froggy girl. Yeah, she has put a really make a green concealer on the face. Open the tape. Oh, let me open. Shall I open?
Yeah, you can open it.
It's gonna be hard for me. Oh my god. Hey, why are you making me nervous? What?
It is difficult to remove. That is why.
Yeah, no. Now it's.
I will help you to stick on a proper place.
She has opened finally. Guys, finally.
Okay, she did it finally. Look at this.
Shall I put the pencils for an example?
So we are going to stick over here, and it is almost done.
Shall I put the pencils for example?
You can put some. It's a pencil holder.
It's for pencil holder. And for the base we have used heart shape.
Yeah.
Because you need heart shape.
Afsa or Maliha will draw the green lines on the leaves.
On the leaves.
We will show you the final result of this letter as we complete other jungle.
Mama, my hands would help with those. Second jungle member is a fan.
A fan?
Just kidding. Just kidding. It's a peacock.
It's a peacock.
Yeah. Oh my god. So, but now Afsa is gonna give you a detail.
Yeah, she's giving it details, and Malia is gonna make beak.
Make the nose. Oh, I'm so happy.
As you know, the jungle safari they have.
Guys, this is peacock. Oh, this is so cute, really. But we can also see it in the jungle and in some cities or countries, of course. In Pakistan, it is found in Tharparkar. It opens its feather when it rains really hardly.
It's a very
We see it in real
amazing,
life, but when it was not raining.
beautiful animal. Oh,
It's
our
not
jungle.
dots. This is the sister. Mom, I have to also make dots in these.
Yes.
These both are sisters, right?
Afsa is also completing.
Yeah. Where's my blue? Are those sisters? Oh, there is it. I have 2 blue.
Okay, Afsa is completing.
The peacock.
We are actually showing the different colors because its feathers have so many beautiful colors. We really don't have these colors.
Yeah.
But I have 2 peacocks in my home, Malia and Afsa, my beautiful peacocks.
Today
Mama
we are
loves you.
making jungle safari.
Yes.
So we have like more purple होता है.
Yes. एक्चुअली उसके कलर इतने ज़्यादा शाइनी और वो होते हैं ना कि आप डिफरेंट शेड भी नहीं कर सकते उनको.
Okay, so that's why we are wearing here purple.
Okay.
See?
Afsa is completing. Afsa is completing peacock and Malia is completing.
Ice cream.
Malia is completing someone else, and that is
Giraffe.
Malia. Giraffe.
And it is also you can make different types of holders, but you can make 1 pen and 1 marker holder or
Yes.
1 pencil. Welcome back. So now we have done all of our animals jungle safari. But now we are going to give you the information and tell you about their all animals' habitats. Let's start. So I'm going to tell you about frog. This is frog. Frog is an amphibian. They live in water and land. Few are poisoned and more are not poisoned. They are really cute and they jump and make sounds like rabbit, 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 rabbit. Now it's turn for the giraffe. Giraffe is the world's most tallest animal. See, and this animal has the long neck. Because this animal giraffe eats so many leaves, that's tree leaves, that's why it has a long neck.
Okay.
Now these are hummingbirds. Now my one name is Twinkly and her name is Crow. No, her name is Crow. No, her name is Twinkie Rose.
They're very easy to make.
Yeah, they both are really easy. You just need a semicircle shape.
Yes.
No, first a circle, half it into a semicircle, and then just make a beak and eyes. No, first make a hole in the center of the circle, then make a friends. If you like our jungle safari, so please, like and share our video and subscribe our channel. Please. Bye. I love my face. And listen. Don't tell anyone that we have हमने ना ट्री से फ्रूट्स उतार के अपने बारे में लगा दी. Shh.
Let me show.
Bye bye.
And Sham, where is Malias?
Bye bye. Bye bye. Come in on the ice cream. चोरी कर ली.
Don't make noise. Don't make noise. Don't go slowly. If the animals wake up, they can hurt you. They can hurt.
Hummingbirds are
Waking up.
yeah. Hide down.